Experiencing issues with sending or receiving text messages? Let's troubleshoot. First, ensure you have a strong cellular signal or stable Wi-Fi connection if using Wi-Fi calling. Weak signal strength is a common culprit. Next, restart your device. This simple step often resolves temporary software glitches. Clear the cache of your messaging app, such as Messages on iOS or Google Messages on Android, as corrupted data can interfere with sending and receiving. Also verify that Do Not Disturb mode is disabled, as it can block incoming notifications. Lastly, double-check that your contact's information is correct and that the date and time settings on your phone are accurate, as incorrect timestamps can disrupt message syncing. Test by sending a message to multiple recipients to see if the issue is isolated. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, consider more advanced solutions. Reset your network settings, which can resolve configuration issues. Ensure that your messaging app has the necessary SMS permissions in your phone's settings. Be aware of RCS, the enhanced messaging protocol that's replacing SMS. If you're still having issues, make sure your phone and carrier support RCS or that SMS fallback is working correctly. For cross-platform issues between iOS and Android, understand that formatting differences can sometimes cause failures. As a last resort, contact your carrier for assistance, as they can identify network-specific issues or account problems. This may be needed if you think there is something wrong with your device's IMEI. Always keep your device's software updated to the latest version to benefit from bug fixes and performance improvements.